Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first let's find the gallery application, and now let's just select this 4 photos, and if you want to hide them, for example, we should click here to more settings, just to more icon on the right down corner, and click here to hide. Just we have here the option to hide 4 items. To view them, we should go to the albums tab, touch the more icon in the top right corner, and then touch hidden items. So okay, let's just go now to the albums here. Click here to the right upper corner and click to hidden items, and now we can see them here in this hidden album. If you want to unhide them, by the same way, select the photos and click to unhide. Now we just can find them here once again in camera app, in camera roll. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.